Give Mike a call from Aqua Traction, does beautiful decks. So I'm over at Maximilian's shop with Mike here from Aqua Traction Tampa Bay, and he's doing his thing here on the boat to do the decking that we're going to do. What's the decking called, Mike, that we're having on this?
Aqua Traction.
Aqua Traction, so that's the actual make of the decking.
We're doing a 3D scan.
And he's doing a 3D scan here, and yeah, as you guys probably know, Samantha, my daughter, has an upholstery business, and a good client of hers recommended Mike and said really good things about him. So it's going to be really exciting. He's going to do something really custom on this boat, and hopefully it's going to really pop, and you guys will see it when it's done. Maximilian is already masking off his brand new Suzuki motor here, and painting some of the red that he didn't like, and you know how he is. Anyway, it's coming along very nicely, and we'll keep you updated. We hear Billy from Flytech Wiring is the best around, so he's here. Hey, I'm back over at Maximilian's shop, and he's still working on his boat, and Billy's here from Flytech, and he kind of specializes in wiring here in Pinellas County. He's got a real great reputation, and Max has had everything rewired on this boat, and if you need something done right, Billy is the man to call. So I'll give you his number later, but anyway, Max, I see you've got your
Yeah, Billy actually showed me a bracket that you can buy. You don't have access to inside the hole to mount this, and you can get from Bass Pro Shops. This is a little thing that slides down with a little metal plate on the bottom that flattens out. You slide it down, zip tie, holds it in place. I put 6 of those in. I haven't secured it fully yet. We're going to put the decking material underneath this before it's fully secured. Putting new LiPo lights right now. Got a new pump for the power pole, which is going to be on the new switch panel. That's got the switch panel Billy put together for me.
well, major surgery, so that's really good. And you might cut down that pole a little bit when you decide.
Possibly. I'm going to use it first, and I might cut it down a foot or two, just because I don't need that much length on a boat that sits exposed to the water.
That's really nice. I was a little bit dubious at first how that would look on there, but it actually doesn't look bad. And when that's folded down, I bet that looks pretty decent.
I found the extension plate on Hodges Marine. That way it's got a little bit more grip, a little bit more secure. It won't flex as much.
That's pretty good. How heavy is that folding motor?
This is about 50 pounds.
50 pounds? Yeah, that's not too bad.
Put new AGM batteries in. I'm still waiting on a lithium battery for the trolling motor, which we'll probably put in this front hatch if we can get it to fit. Billy's got everything nice and neat, zip tied up on the left side in there. Probably have to walk around and show them.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. That was.
Check out the switch panel from the other side.
Yeah, look at the switch panel. Billy put it.
No, that was like Spaghetti Junction when I first saw it. That's really good now.
Put the panel sitting here.
Oh wow.
You can go ahead and power it on the battery switch to the combine option
So where did the switch panel come from?
and hit the nav.
Oh,
lights
Billy
like
made that.
Oh, Billy made that?
Yeah.
Oh wow, you make your own panels and everything too, Billy?
Yep.
Wow, that looks really beautiful. I see it's the same font as the original boat and everything. That's really cool.
That's going to be for RGB wires for the deck lights. Still have a lot of cleaning to do on the boat. We'll get it detailed up next week. We remounted the power pole pump back here. Got a new pump. We're simplifying it. None of the wireless stuff. It's just going to be on the 2 switches on the dash. Started blacking out the motor a little bit. Make it look more like the Stealth model. The red didn't really go with the boat.
That's coming along really nicely.
Put all these gauge pumps in. Got some underwater lights. You see the underwater lights we installed?
Oh wow, that's awesome. Man, you got everything on this sucker now.
Yeah, there. Another week we should be fishing.
That's really great, Sonny Jim.
Hopefully we have some good weather next week.
Really nice work. The wiring looks awesome. I never understand why on the factory boats the wiring always looks so bad. When
Time,
yeah,
cost.
yeah, it's This boat's really going to stand out when it's finished with everything you've done to it. Really good. It's beautiful, yeah? Nice job.
If you go over there, go through that hatch, you see right here. This is a terminal block from the switch panel. So say your, I don't know, anchor light stops working, you could just take off the connection here and put it on your deck light and use that switch instead, and then you'll know if it's a switch or, you know, the fixture that's bad. It's very easy to self-diagnose that way.
That's really nice. Yeah, that's a little bit different from any boat wiring I've looked at in the past. I actually redid the wiring on my boat myself, and I actually did quite a nice job, if I say so myself. It's obvious after looking at Billy's wiring that he does a really beautiful job. So Max was wise to use him, and his boat's going to be really beautiful. Stay tuned to our channel to see how Mike does the decking, and we'll catch you later.